Okay, it's a lovely day and I'm at my boyfriend's house, so that means we're taking a walk to the Mermaid Rocks, and I have more fresh rocks to leave to make magic. Okay, let's go. And poof, we're outside now. Look, our shadows are so cute. These are the rocks that we're bringing to the Mermaid Rock today. I really like them. Listen to the cicadas screaming. We made it. This is wild. There's all these seashells like all over. There's more shells over there. And back here. Well, we've left plenty now.